Coinomi Wallet Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Coinomi Wallet are in the description. Coinomi is a multi-asset crypto wallet that provides security, privacy, and staking features for users looking to manage and grow their cryptocurrency holdings. Originally launched in 2014, it has built a solid reputation for supporting a vast range of digital assets while ensuring users maintain full control over their private keys. Coinomi is available on desktop and mobile, making it easy to access your funds anytime. One of Coinomi's biggest advantages is its support for over 1,700 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of altcoins. For staking, Coinomi allows users to earn rewards by delegating supported proof-of-stake (POS) coins directly from the wallet. While the staking options are not as extensive as some dedicated staking platforms, Coinomi still supports popular POS assets like Tezos, XTZ, Cosmos, Atom, and PivX, giving users an opportunity to passively grow their holdings. The staking process is straightforward. Users simply need to hold and delegate their POS tokens to validators without worrying about complex setups. When it comes to security, Coinomi stands out by offering a non-custodial wallet, meaning private keys are stored on the user's device, never on external servers. It also supports encrypted backups, strong password protection, and seed phrase recovery, ensuring that users can recover their funds in case of device loss. Additionally, Coinomi is one of the few wallets that offer built-in privacy features, protecting users' IP addresses and transaction details from third parties. Overall, Coinomi is an excellent choice for users who want a reliable, multi-asset wallet with basic staking features. While it may not be the most staking-focused platform, it provides a secure and convenient way to manage multiple crypto assets while earning passive rewards. If you're looking for a secure, user-friendly, and privacy-focused crypto wallet, Coinomi is a solid option. Check out the links in the description to get started with Coinomi Wallet today.